Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke taata biko na enwere mgbe m mee video si unu na there are people benefiting na insecurity na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị. There are people benefiting from insecurity na-eme n'ala Igbo because if not, I don't know why some group of people or some group of people can ndị Igbo niile ike. Onwe m chọọ ịgwa ndị mmadụ, onwe ihe ndị mmadụ na-amara. As long as n'ala Igbo dị consign, afọ mgbe emere ihe ọjọọ meli n'ala Igbo anyị, no matter how long it takes, no matter how long it takes, the land alone will judge you. The land called Igboland alone will judge you automatically. This video na for another group of people pụtakwanu. This na na government ọlụ mana ihe ọbụla na-eme ọsụkwa na abụ na alụ gọọmenti ọlụ bụkwa na ha ka bụ ndị nwana mana is of no use. It is of no use. If somebody is payrolling them, is bankrolling them to come and be sabotaging na Igbo, what then is our duty as ndị Igbo? To stand our ground, to say that the whole joy kwesịrị. Mana you can comment section of this video, see na some people na say yes, right, the one on, no they ha kacho, no they have freedom kacho, no they I happen ihe na-eme ihe ọzọ na-emekwa anyị n'enu. Happy ihe na-eme in an Igbo, we are suffering a lot when our task now so far. Hell has enlarged itself in Igboland. Hell has enlarged itself in Igboland. Ihe ọjọọ na-agbazi ahụ nkwata nkwa kwa mgbọsị. And somebody n'okporo onwe onye Igbo pụtabụli egbe nọrọ n'ime ha si na ọ bụrụ na unu ekwetere n'ihe ha na-ekwu that no you use this egbe on all of you. Ka njuke n'unu ọ bụrụ na unu bụrụ ndị eziokwu as you claim because none of you ekwetere n'unu bụ ndị ọjọọ as you unu na-esi n'unu bụ ndị eziokwu unu gbuchazịa ndị Igbo niile mmadụ one ya anọzi. People are relocating every day na Igbo. People are living, especially in Imo State. People are living. One man no Abia State. As long as God is concerned and Igboland is concerned, that any do no betrayal, governor of Abia State, that the land of Igbo will never forgive you people. Because now the Kongwendi Janfufani esi. Can be any no Abia State in Alo. If we are still forming a clique against him, yeah, and Abia State. The most active governor in Nigeria. The most active governor how about can do. One man na video na comment say na any do no make delihe where rebel against Alex Uti of Abia State. Na Igbo will never forgive all of you. Because all the suffering, no when they suffering, afufun, when they benefit and afufun mad ibe ha, and it gives them joy. To put people under their economy, how many years in Abia State and afufun, imakuzo na deron Abia State. This man batana now contracts here and there, money is flowing. And when we video early last 2 years, agwa mono, mbela lexoti batashin, onyo bona mali go and invest in Abia State. If you have the money, go there because so many industries are coming into Abia State. Oboda cheerful that God has remembered them. When it will be a very shameful thing that this thing on a massive project and account, you won't be second contest here against him. What are you going to do? What other promises are you going to do more than Uncle Neme? Capture handles or Abia State that doesn't have shame. Ebu na rules or konyozo be na lose still unukobi na abani na chokwe rebel against him. This is the problem in the most often they buy anyway. Kita this group of people potakwa need declare one cause who is funding them. Or should we still agree that this our has been hijacked? Has it been hijacked? And by the way, why are you covering your face? Kachobuno bono no mani huneme demma. And it's Kamal Dizilu nozia. Ununeme.
So I My brothers and sisters, another thing. If you say this thing where the drag will not stand, Oga, brother, youth, I will use it for you. It will stand. I will use it for you. The government and the what we want and development we want will stand.
That's so you.
Anne, I do come to Kasia. I don't know. I my fiance ma to egu. I feel like my ass no one him do game. Ale Billy na ale asa na ale awara be with me. Akadonfia. All these ones were them pursue for work last week as I'm hearing it. I want all of them to go back to that company. Nobody have right to pursue any indigene for the company. Nobody have any right to pursue indigene.
Now we no be them.
Now, why I strongly need the light is that even if they are eating their money, thieving their money because they are thieves. Aga, if they put light, person will learn how to barb head. They go buy clipper, start they feed themselves. Woman will learn hairdressing. We go and buy hairdressing, every equipment starts. There's people that get the money to do, but there is no light, no money to buy gem. Even if some people don't have money to do any other business, they can buy freezer and be doing ice block. Those things now, what is for development? That is why I'm crying seriously. And you must come. I'm not afraid of anybody. Bros, I'm not afraid of anybody. If I open my house, this is my warehouse. If I open it, Omo, you gonna say Akwadro video. I don't know how to told you. I am for video. I did not see anybody. And I want to assure all youth, please, my brothers and sisters, I want you people to support for this struggle. It's not only me that eating it. And I stand here today tell you people that nobody will feel bribe me. Because I'm okay. I'm okay for what I have. You people knows.
Yeah,
now, what I create as a idicom, I want them like this struggle. Oh man, let's move it up. No, look any leader that you even who can your platform, the leader challenge you, only the name I need. I know fear. I know we are all of them definitely. They imagine somebody like Chino, yeah, that claiming now that he is not seeing anybody. I could remember when he is the engineer in Patakot and the one. When I pay in a hotel in Cambodia hotel, Chino, you know what I'm saying. Who are you? Before you drive Jeep, I have drive Jeep. Before I started with push shoulder, I have push shoulder. But I want peace. I want development. I want light, road, good health. You know what? I want to university. The near town at home. The company will open this summer. Imagine the whole company now. 13 people. Oh, my brother. My brothers and sisters, I'm angry. You know, concern you. Whether you like me or you hate me, you know, now me be some like some hate. You know, what I'm trying to tell you people is that you see this time around, widower will be getting something there. A widow will be getting something there. Youth, if that company needs 500 people, youth will be indigene will be 250, strangers will be 250. Failing to do that, problem. Please and please, my brothers and sisters, I'm not come for quarrel, I'm not come for fight, I'm not fighting Debam, I'm not fighting Dewe, I'm fighting what comes from my village. Governor of Imo State, Daddy, Kanka, Bikono, Imo State, Imo State government. That ya, Nihenamana San Obile, leaders in the Igboland. Leaders Igboland, leaders Igboland. Onye nwetere ego, Here Brubalaga, Gatan. Then I got a good opportunity. I still not really Lego, but if you they eat, you remember your village. If you they give you 100,000 to do something, you can eat 20,000, use 80,000, do something for your village. But no, this one they give 100 million. Okay, our village now they use solar. Surrender every year. Can solar charge phone?
No.
Yeah. Can solar put fridge?
No.
Can solar do what think solar feed do for us? All those things is deceiving us.